When your coolant reservoir keeps emptying, there are three main categories of problems to consider. Understanding these categories helps you identify where to look first. Here's a typical engine cooling system. The three main categories of coolant loss are external leaks, internal leaks, and system malfunctions. Let's examine each category in detail. External leaks account for 60% of coolant reservoir emptying cases. These are leaks you can often see or detect by looking for puddles under your car or stains in the engine bay. The most common external leak sources include radiator cracks or corrosion, degraded hoses with loose clamps, water pump seal failures, thermostat housing leaks, and cracks in the reservoir tank itself. Internal leaks represent 25% of cases and are more serious. These occur when coolant leaks into the combustion chambers or oil passages inside the engine. Common internal leak sources include blown head gaskets, cracked cylinder heads, cracked engine blocks, and intake manifold gasket failures. These problems often cause white exhaust smoke and milky oil. System malfunctions cause 15% of coolant loss cases. These involve components that don't directly leak, but cause the cooling system to malfunction and lose coolant. Common system malfunctions include faulty radiator caps that can't maintain proper pressure, stuck thermostats that prevent proper coolant flow, cooling fan failures, and blocked coolant passages. Understanding these three categories of coolant loss helps you diagnose problems more effectively. External leaks are the most common, internal leaks are the most serious, and system malfunctions can cause overheating and coolant loss even without visible leaks. Diagnosing coolant loss requires a systematic approach using three key methods: visual inspection, pressure testing, and combustion gas testing. Start with a thorough visual inspection. Look for obvious leaks, coolant stains, damaged hoses, or cracks in the reservoir tank. Check all connections and clamps for looseness. Pressure testing reveals leaks invisible to the naked eye. The system should hold 15 to 16 psi for 15 minutes. Any pressure drop indicates a leak that needs attention. Combustion gas testing detects exhaust gases in the coolant, indicating internal leaks like a blown head gasket. This test uses a special fluid that changes color when combustion gases are present. Repair costs vary significantly based on the problem. Small hose replacements cost $100 to $300. Radiator replacement ranges from $400 to $800. Major head gasket repairs can cost $1,500 to $3,000. Prevention is key to avoiding costly repairs. Perform coolant flushes every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. For vehicles over 5 years old, annual pressure testing can catch problems early and save thousands in repair costs. Early detection through proper diagnostics can reduce repair costs by up to 65%. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to coolant loss will keep your cooling system running efficiently and prevent costly engine damage.